Bismillah, Allahu Akbar.
This cow is the finest in the market, brother. Strong and healthy for the Qurbani.
He is beautiful. We will take him.
Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, La illa Allah.
Everything is in order. The teeth, eyes and legs are healthy. It is fit for Qurbani.
O Allah, here we stand before you. Grant us your mercy on this blessed day.
Look how beautiful the mosque is in the morning light.
Eid Mubarak, everyone! It is truly a blessed day.
Eid is not merely new garments or festivities. It is the growth of our taqwa, our piety, and our submission to the Almighty.
Bismillah, Allahu Akbar.
No injuries, no broken horns. This bull is healthy and fit.
The new digital tagging system ensures every animal's health record is tracked from the farm to the consumer.
This one is strong, Sahib. Only 50,000.
50,000 is too much. I will give you 35.
You won't find better quality anywhere else. The price is clearly marked.
It's beautiful, but perhaps we can discuss the price for two. This one is strong. Look at the blanket.
How much for the camel and the saddle?
I can offer you 5,000 for it.
The teeth look strong, just as you said.
He is the healthiest bull in the market, Sahib.
The muscle development is excellent, very healthy stock. This one is certainly ready for Qurbani. See how clear the eyes are, brother.
And the legs are very strong.
It is perfect for Qurbani, mashallah. I will take it.
I can pay 75,000 rupees. That is my final price.
75 it is. May he bring you blessings.
Look how beautiful he looks. He is the best bull here, Baba.
He likes the grass. Look how fast he eats. Baba said we can give him more tomorrow.
Keep the line moving. We have two more trucks waiting. This one is secure. Bring the next bull.
Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim. Maliki Yawmiddin.
The strongest bulls right here. Come and get the best price for your Qurbani.
He is very healthy. The price is fair.
Your price is too high. We can offer less.
This one is very healthy, Sahib. Look at the coat.
Yes, but the price is too high. Can you do 5,000 less?
Eid Mubarak, brother.
Khair Mubarak, Eid Saeed. Eid Mubarak to the whole family.
This one is the finest in the market. Look at the wool.
The price tag is very high.
Yeah. It is worth every penny, sir.
We have used the finest wool for these saddles, a tradition passed down through generations.
They are truly magnificent.
Yes, the teeth are strong and the health is excellent. This is the one for the Qurbani. See the eyes completely clear and the legs are strong, exactly as required for Qurbani.
He is perfect, brother. I will take him.
I am telling you,
This price is firm.
look at the health of the animal.
Very well. We have an agreement.
Look how much he likes the grass. He is the best Qurbani goat ever.
Bismillah. Allahu Akbar. Bismillah. Allahu Akbar.
O Allah, accept this sacrifice from us. All praise and thanks are due to you.
This sacrifice is a reminder of our faith and devotion. We share the blessings with those less fortunate.
Next person, please. We have your share ready.
Thank you. May you be blessed. Here is your Qurbani meat, Honorable Elder. May it bring you peace.
Thank you very much. May Allah bless you.
Here is the certificate for the donor family. Jazakallah khair.
Thank you. May Allah accept your efforts.
This area needs to be sanitized immediately after each cut.
Yes, understood. We'll monitor that closely.
We need more bags at station 3.
Coming right up.
Make sure the weights are accurate.
At this stage, the stunning parameters must be precisely controlled according to the Halal standard.
Keep the line moving. We have many more to process.
Bring the crates. We are running out.
How many boxes left for truck 4?
20 more. Ready? Lift.
Okay, easy now.
Clear on the left.
Bring it straight back, watch the side.
Got it. Is that the last one?
Yeah, clear the door now.
Two kilograms, exactly.
Noted. Keep them coming. We have many more to process.
May you be blessed. Thank you for the Qurbani.
Eid Mubarak to you and your family. Happy Eid to you and your family. Enjoy the Qurbani.
Thank you so much. The children are so excited. Eid Mubarak, everyone. We have a wonderful feast ahead thanks to this generous Qurbani delivery. Yay!
Here is your Qurbani meat. May it bring you peace.
Thank you. We are very grateful for the help.
Eid Mubarak, brother. Here is your Qurbani meat.
Thank you so much. May you be blessed.
Here is the meat for your family.
Thank you very much. We are very grateful. We brought some fresh meat for you today.
That is very kind. Thank you so much.
It is wonderful to see everyone together again for Eid.
The turnout this year is incredible.
Eid Mubarak. Here is the Qurbani meat. Thank you. Eid Mubarak to you too. We have successfully distributed to everyone.
Yes, Alhamdulillah. Now we can prepare the family's share.
I think it needs a bit more ginger now. The aroma is wonderful. It smells delicious.
The aroma is absolutely divine.
It looks incredible. Can we serve it now? Just another minute. It's cooked to perfection.
Eid Mubarak, everyone. This karahi is exceptional.
Yes, it truly is. We are so grateful to have you all here.
This is the best Qurbani meat ever!
I want some more, Abu. Here is your share, neighbor.
Thank you so much. May you and your family be blessed. Here is the large box you requested.
Thank you. The neighbors will appreciate this.
The ribbons look great. What a wonderful feast. Eid Mubarak, everyone.
Eid Mubarak!
Gently, brother. These are for the needy. Ensure the stacks are secure for the collection truck.
Here you go for the poor. Jazakallah, brother. We will ensure it reaches those in need.
May I please have the liver and heart?
Certainly. Here is your share of the Qurbani.
Confirm the status in Sector 4. We have a bottleneck showing near the main hub.
Acknowledged. I'm instructing the ground team to divert resources now.
Steady now, bring it forward 10 feet. Watch your left side.
We celebrate together, the hunger is gone. Joy to the village, thanks be to...
Here is your Qurbani meat, brother.
Thank you. May you be blessed.
Next in line, please. Move forward.
At its heart, Qurbani is a deeply spiritual practice, reminding us of the ultimate submission to God.
So Prophet Ibrahim was ready to sacrifice what he loved most.
But then the sheep appeared?
Yes, a great ram appeared, showing Allah's mercy.
This is the best kebab I've had all year, thank you.
There is plenty more for everyone. May Allah accept our sacrifice.
Eid Mubarak!
Khair Mubarak!
Wishing you and your family a blessed Eid.
Bismillah.
Alhamdulillah.
Thank you for this blessing.
O Allah, look at your magnificent creation. Guide us as you guided Ibrahim.
Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar.
Thank you. May you be blessed.
Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. La ilaha. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar.